This is the Masterson StaWet Palette Seal, but I've got a twist to make this way better and to save you money and paint in the process. The StaWet palette inserts, which keep the paint wet while you work or for storage for later work, are made to fit this palette seal.
You mean the box?
Yeah, the box. They do keep it wet, but maybe not in the way you want. There is a much better and less wasteful way to set up your palette, and I'm going to show you how, at least for how I work. The inserts are okay, but they aren't practical. You soak the Stay Wet paper and you put it on a wet sponge. This keeps your paint wet while you work. The problem? When you mix a palette full of color, you can't easily clean the mixing area.
Aw, but the colors are so pretty.
If you keep mixing over that wet paint, you're going to create muddy colors. You instead have to throw that paper away and start a new palette. This isn't saving your paint or your money. What's worse, and this is just personal preference, it makes the paint gooey. I hate the consistency of paint when using this setup. On top of that, keeping the sponge and paper wet for too long can start to stink. A sponge wet like this will grow bacteria, and I am personally not a fan of the wet towel stink.
Can't you just wash it?
Yes, you can wash this with soap and water or vinegar, but that's one more chore I do not need in my art life.
You're right, you need to spend more time taking care of me.
So what did I do? I used this New Wave glass palette instead. And let me tell you, it is a huge upgrade. It costs more initially, but it's a one-time purchase, unlike the paper and sponge that you will have to replace. Some artists just use a sheet of glass that they paint one side of, and that's an option for sure. Just make sure it's thick enough not to snap when you add pressure with the glass scraper. The New Wave is 1/8 inch thick and has these rubber bumpers on the corners, and the edges are slightly softened so that you're not as likely to cut yourself. I know I personally am terrified of glass.
Oh, that sounds really scary.
Seriously, way scarier than you.
I'm not scary at all.
It's tempered glass so that if you do break it, the risk of injury is even less. I've been using these for several years though and have never broken one or even cut myself on one. They're pretty durable. It provides a smooth surface ideal for mixing colors, and you get to see the true color representation because you're not mixing over old wet paint. I like the one that's colored gray on the underside so that I can really accurately see the colors that I'm mixing. All I have to do when I need a clean space is to use a glass scraper, and I'm ready to go. I don't have to throw away another sheet of expensive palette paper just to create a clean spot to mix on. It's super fast, super easy, and that is a big deal for me because I really just want to get back to painting. I leave the big unmixed piles of paint and scrape the dried messy center out.
But doesn't the paint dry too fast?
While I'm working, the larger piles of paint stay wet without the need for a fancy wet towel smelling soggy paper and sponge. I use Liquitex Basics, and they are slower to dry than the heavy body or soft body paint. So if you're using those, you just occasionally mist your palette with a bit of water and you should be all set. The center portion will dry, so that is the part that I'm going to scrape out when I'm ready for a new color or a new space to color mix in.
What about when you're done painting for the day? Doesn't it all dry out? You have to throw away all that pretty paint?
Nope, I just fold up a piece of wet paper towel and leave that in the Stay Wet palette seal, right on the glass palette.
You mean the box?
Yeah, the box. The box is airtight, so it is not going to dry out as long as you've got that wet paper towel in there. I've had paint stay wet for weeks like this. Not the thin parts where I was color mixing, but the larger piles of paint. They were all completely still usable. Of all the palette setups I've used over the past 30 years, this is my favorite by far. I waste so much less paint, and I'm not having to replace paper, tinfoil, or paper plates like I used to use. Plus, with a lid that seals tight, it keeps my critters out of the paint, which is obviously a big deal in my case. Hey, want to come into my studio and check everything out? Check out my new studio tour.